Cover leftover Thinset or grout by sealing the container airtight and store it in a cool, dry place until your next session. For Thinset, leave the material in the original bucket, level the surface, press a sheet of heavy plastic wrap directly onto the mortar to remove air pockets, then secure the lid tightly and store the bucket off the floor on a pallet or shelf to avoid temperature swings. Before reusing Thinset, check for any dry crust on the surface. Scrape it away and discard the crusted portion. Then remix the remaining mortar thoroughly with a margin trowel or drill mixer at low speed until uniform. If the texture has thickened or the bond looks compromised, mix a fresh batch instead of risking failure. For grout, pour a thin layer of clean water over the surface to keep it from skinning. Cover with plastic wrap so the film touches the grout surface. Then replace the lid and refrigerate if the working environment is warm and humid because lower temperatures slow chemical curing. Always label the bucket with the date and product type so you do not accidentally use an aged or incompatible mix later. Never attempt to revive completely hardened material by adding water because this weakens the chemistry and will reduce bond strength and durability. When you return, remix and perform a small adhesion or color test on spare tile before applying to the main field. Common mistakes include leaving an air gap between cover and mortar, which allows skinning and partial curing, so press plastic wrap onto the surface and expel air before sealing. Another frequent issue is trusting revived material that shows separation or a grainy texture. If remixing does not restore a smooth, homogeneous consistency and proper plasticity, discard and prepare fresh mix. People also store buckets in direct sunlight or near heat, which accelerates setting and ruins inhibitors, so place containers in a shaded, cool area, and if ambient heat cannot be avoided, plan to mix only what you will use that day. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners to local contractors who do kitchen floors and other trades, and it helps contractors find new work by listing opportunities and profiles. We also host an active discussion community where installers and homeowners share tips, ask questions, and post photos so our members can learn practical storage and mixing techniques from real projects.